Hey there, let's make a patriotic tray design in this Paulownia wood trug. It's very large, 36 inches long, quite deep and about 7 inches across. We're going to use an entire poppy garland to fill the bowl as a base. This one has been partially shaped. I've opened and fanned out all the poppies, all of the vines, and given it a little bit of a curve. Let's continue shaping this flat end here. You want to lift every piece of the stem up and separate it from the main wired base. And while doing that, soften it up a little bit by giving all of the stems a little bit of a bend. By losing the very straight aspect of the wired segments, it'll look a lot softer, more natural, and have a lot more body. We're going to wind it in the bowl by curving the base stem a little bit, and that gives it almost an S-curve effect inside the bowl. Once we have that done, you can see it's nice and full with lots of little airy spots here to add in some fun decor. Let's start with the bulkiest items first. We're using a very large Echeveria succulent plant, about 8 inches in diameter, and an 8-inch ball here that is a plastic style candle topper or a bowl filler. We're going to use the big guy over here in this gap, fills in nicely, and the other large succulent over here in this gap. We also have plenty of space for a sign in the middle, and that's what's going to help amp up our patriotic theme. This one comes in several different styles. We're going to angle that in there, and it's resting against some of the vine of the garland. Then we're going to add in another decor piece just for a pop of white. Let's tuck that in over here in front of the succulent. How about a very fun bead garland? These come in different styles with a fun little tassel at one end. Wind that through, make sure the tassel flops out of the bowl, as well as a bit of the bead design. And then we'll finish it off with the fun gnomes. Who doesn't love a patriotic gnome? 2 of those guys. We'll tuck one over here in front of the sign and one guy down over here in front of the succulent. And there you have a very fun patriotic tray design in our trug.